Hi IQ community, hope everyone is doing well. This is quite a strange time frame for everyone, and I think that it's really great that we can still connect through technology. It's amazing that we have this opportunity, and so we at Urban are just really missing our patients, and we just really miss that connection. And so I wanted to say, hey, what I'm kind of doing is my husband has a really long list of house projects, so that's been keeping us busy. I've truly just been trying to embrace the stillness that we have unexpectedly occurred. I have a 3-year-old, and so he keeps me pretty busy, and just trying to keep up with all of that. And so today I just wanted to show you some techniques I've been using with myself, my son, and some of the other kiddos and patients I work with. So one of my favorite acupressure points right now during this time frame is kidney 27. So our kidney channel is pretty foundational in things occurring like fear or just stress. And so the point that I'm going to show you is right below the collarbone. There's like a little indent here, and you can just, with acupressure, you want firm pressure, and what I like to do is just kind of press, take some good deep breaths, and just visualize that energy going down to my feet if I'm starting to feel anxious or stressed. You can also tap. Tapping's a really good way, and especially anything along this area, you can do like a tapping like this. This is the start of our lung channel, which is pretty important in keeping us overall healthy. And so I tend to do this a couple times a day, especially starting out the day, but also just really kind of pressing on these points. And then a simple technique that you can do to just kind of get all the meridians going and activated, since we can't physically get acupuncture done, is also a technique that we call meridian tapping. So you pretty much just start at the top of the head, go towards the back, down the sides, again along the chest, and then to the arm you tap up and then tap down. I usually do 3 sets of this. So you're tapping down on the inside, and then you can tap along the lower ribs. Then I can't really show, but you'll tap along the side of your legs, so down the side of your thighs, down the side of your calves, down to your ankles, and then tap along the inside, so you're coming back up on the inside. And then you'll do that 3 times through as well. And towards the end, you'll just feel like a tingling sensation in your hands. And that's the energy that we're trying to get when we place acupuncture needles. And so with that, you can kind of direct that energy. So if you're having pain, go ahead and place your hands when they're all tingly and feeling that blood flow. Place your hands wherever you're having pain and just kind of breathe into it and try to relax that area of your body. If you're feeling stressed, you can also just place your hands along your thighs and just try to ground yourself that way. If you need energy, keep them up and just breathe that energy up. We truly hope that in this time frame you are taking time to just rest. This is very unique, and it's kind of like what we really want our patients to do is rest. I mean, when they come into a treatment, they are taking 25-35 minutes to just rest, and that alone is crucial in the way that our busy life is. So I hope you all the best. I hope that you guys get many projects done, you have family time. We cannot control anything that's happening outside of ourselves. So just try to focus on healing yourself and staying well, and we will see you soon. See ya.